It's about family. Where's my family? Dom really likes family. Yeah, he does. I just need my family. Family! Where did they go? Where did who go, Dom? My family! Oh no, here comes Ric Flair! Woo! Ah! Woo! I don't believe it! What did you do to my family? Woo! What? You shut your mouth, Doodlebug, or I'll shut it for you! Get your gun off me! Woo! Woo! Haha! I'm not gonna let you hurt my family! Woo! Just leave my family out of this. Does anyone have a location on Dom's family? Yeah, they want nothing to do with him. My family. You wanna be the cat? You gotta beat the cat. Will you be my family? Woo! And woo! Family! Woo! Woo! Ha! Family barbecue. The Nature Boy wins! He's still the champion! They told me not to stray from the tour group. They don't really believe in the myth. But I gotta find Bigfoot for myself. Where are you Bigfoot? It's Bigfoot! Somebody can't help me! Oh. Bigfoot's gonna get me! Help! Just isn't fair. Woo! Woo! Big dog animal! Big dog animal! Fuck you! Yeah, Nature Boy! Ah! Ah, God! Woo! Ah! No! No! Ah! Nature Boy, watch out! Woo! You're doing it wrong, Bigfoot! Oh, what's Nature Boy up to now? I mean, this is Bigfoot we're talking about. Ah! Ah! Roar! Styling and profiling! Yeah! Woo!
I just want to make a difference.
And I just want to buy someone a Coke.
Great start to the poem. But as we know, live cans ignore the strange and unusual.
Until they fight back. Winona and her can are just minding their business. What's this? Miss Star just climbed out of the toilet. What's going on? Ah!
Johnny, leave him alone.
Nobody tells me what to do. I'm bleeding. She just came out of nowhere. Leave me alone. Miss Star, please. Fuck you. I'll sue you. Oh, I hurt myself. Oh, please. Are you okay? Oh, I think she's faking it. Johnny, look out. I'm just gonna look. Okay. Oh! This is about my reputation. Nobody will believe you. Oh, look out, Winona. Somebody call the Nature Boy. I will call the police on you. You understand? Woo! Here comes the Nature Boy. Oh, he doesn't like this at all. Woo! You bitch! Oh, what's Ray doing? Oh, he's climbing up, and he's gonna... Woo! You shut your mouth, shithead! My reputation! Woo! Woo! make love to you all night long.
Can't wait.
You ruined my reputation. Yeah, I want to see it.
Fun movie, isn't it?
Woo!
Great soundtrack, too.
Did you ever hear of the drink, Master?
Home Street's lost. Farewell. Circus will.
Woo! Time to go home.
Will you be there in the morning, Nature Boy?
Winona forever. Or at least Wino forever.
Wait, I think I just heard misheard.
One of your best friends, Johnny Dreamer, who I respect as I can, told me, I wanna know. This has gone far enough, Miss Turd.
Johnny.
Call me Edward. Ha! 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 Ready to battle. I wanna know. Tell the world, Johnny. Tell them you're a victim. I'll make you my victim, bitch.
Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.
It's showtime.
It's about family.
Woo! Ha! 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 You're fucking ridiculous. You're right, Jody. You're right. Tell them.
Awesome laser tits activate.
Let's finish it. Allow me. Woo. We did it.
We sure to do it, didn't we?